Happy Tuesday, Athens and North Georgia. I'm student meteorologist Emily Kirk here with your North Georgia weather forecast. Let's talk about what you can expect for the rest of your week. Slowly increasing temperatures for the rest of the week. We're going to see a low chance of rain every single day, and we're going to see an area of interest in the Atlantic, and we're going to talk about its development in just a little bit. First, I want to talk about our temperature for yesterday. We only saw a high of 81 degrees. Our normal is around 88 degrees, and our record temperature for September 1st is around 99 degrees. That was set in 1912, so not only are we cool compared to our record temperature, but also just our normal temperature, and we're seeing that cool kind of pattern stick around for just a little bit longer here in North Georgia. 80 degrees right now, and we're in Athens, and we're seeing low 80s across the board. We're seeing 70 here in Blairsville around 5:45. Now they are cooling off a lot faster than the rest of us, but here in Athens we're expected to cool down all the way to 59 degrees. Tonight will be mostly clear, and let's take a look at what that will look like on our future radar. Around 10 p.m. here in North Georgia, we're going to see some clouds roll through Canton. Here in Athens, we are still clear, but around 8 a.m. tomorrow morning, Athens will start to get a little cloudy, and Canton and surrounding areas are going to see some showers, so you can expect a little bit of a wet commute. By around Wednesday, 4:30 p.m., you are going to see some showers in between Athens and Atlanta, but by about 10 p.m., those showers and thunderstorms will have cleared out of the area completely. Now, tomorrow we're going to see a high of 84 degrees. We'll be mostly clear. In the rest of our region, we're going to see highs just a little bit cooler in the low 80s. Lawrenceville does say 77 degrees, but it will be around 82, just a little bit of model error. Now we're going to take a look at somewhere a little less close to home. Here in the Atlantic, we are seeing another area of interest start to develop. In the next 2 days, it has a 30% chance of formation into a tropical cyclone and 70% chance in the next 7 days. Now, it's too early on to know where it's going to go or its intensity, so make sure you're paying attention to the National Hurricane Center and their forecast so you can stay up to date and in the know. Now, our 7-day forecast is looking absolutely beautiful, and we're going to see highs climb up into the low 90s for Friday and Saturday. It's going to be a pretty hot football game for your Saturday, but once we get past Saturday, we're going to see a cold front move through in the early part of the week, so we're going to see highs drop down into the high 70s, especially there on Tuesday. So you really want to make sure you're getting outside and enjoying the weather while it lasts, because it's going to be a beautiful week. Thank you for watching, and go Dogs!